Hi. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use the internal document notes, a feature that lets you add comments, updates, or reminders directly at the top of any document. Makes collaboration on documents easier and more efficient. Here's how to access it. First, open the Attachments tab in any matter, case, or contract, or head over to the iDocs module. Then, select the file you want to work on and click Open in to choose your preferred editor. If you choose Word for Web, click the Lexzur icon on the left side of the document. The Notes panel will appear. In the Lexzur editor, click the Comments icon in the top right corner, next to the Download and Print buttons, to open the Notes panel. Both actions will open the internal Notes panel. To add a note, click Add New Note. Type your message, and don't forget, you can mention teammates to notify them directly. You can format your text using headings, bullet points, colors, hyperlinks, even insert images if needed. You can also set your note visibility. Choose Everyone if it should be visible to all users. Or select Private to share it only with specific team members. When you're ready, click Add to save. The mentioned user will receive an email notification and can open the document to reply or add their own notes. You can manage your notes easily. Click the three dots next to any note to edit, delete, or resolve it. Resolved notes are locked and marked with a green checkmark. They can't be changed or replied to. You can also filter your notes by All Notes, Resolved Notes, or Unresolved Notes.